In this video, you'll learn how to upload a Word document to Google Docs so you can access and edit it from anywhere. Whether you're moving away from Word, collaborating with others, or just want a backup in the cloud, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each part slowly so you can follow along in real time. First, you'll need to open Google Drive because that's where all your Google Docs files actually live. Go ahead and open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log in with the Google account you want to use. It's important to be in the right account from the beginning so you don't accidentally upload documents to the wrong place. Once Google Drive is open, you'll see your folders and any files you've already stored there. At the upper left corner of the screen, look for the button labeled New. This is where you can create or upload new content. Click on New and a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose File Upload. This is the option that lets you bring an existing file from your computer into Google Drive. And when you click File Upload, a file browser window will pop up. This is just your computer asking which file you want to send to Google Drive. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your Word document is saved. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have different versions with similar names. Once you've found the right Word document, click on it to highlight it and then click the Open button in that file browser window. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will start uploading your document. You should see a small status box appear in the bottom right corner of the Drive window, showing the progress of the upload. For smaller files, this usually finishes in a second or two. For larger documents, it might take a bit longer, depending on your internet connection. Wait for that status to say the upload is complete before moving on. After the upload finishes, your Word document is now stored in Google Drive as an original Word file. To turn it into something you can edit directly in Google Docs, you'll need to open it with Google Docs. Find the file you just uploaded in your Drive. It should appear in the main list or in the folder where you were when you uploaded it. If you're not sure, you can use the search bar at the top and type the file name. Once you've located the file, right-click on it, or if you're on a trackpad, use a two-finger click. A menu will appear. Hover over or select Open With, and then choose Google Docs. Google will now create a Google Docs version of that Word file and open it in a new tab. Give it a moment to load, and then you'll see your document in the familiar Google Docs editor, ready to edit, format, or share. Your original Word file will still be in Drive, and the new Google Docs version will save automatically as you make changes, so you don't need to worry about hitting save. That's all it takes to upload a Word document to Google Docs and start working on it online.